Balachandrika also answered me slowly. Dear brothers, we are reading semester 2 Sanskrit book. From that the lesson Pushodbhava Charitam. We are reading. In that last time we are leaving some lesson. Now we are continuing that. In that last time I told about this Balachandrika also answered me, answered me. That is, me mean a Balachandrika answered to the Ratnodbhava. Slowly, abandoning her fear and shyness, taking courage from the loneliness. A good one. Manasara, the king of Malava, owing to his old age, made his son Darpasara the king of Ujjaini, having appointed as the rulers the despotic Chandravarman and Daruvarman, the son of the paternal aunt. That prince left for Mount Kailasa to perform penance to become the lord of all the earth up to the 7 seas. Now we are going to read the lesson from the Rajyam Sarva Masapnatnam Sasati Chandavarmani Daruvarma Matulyagrajanmanoho Shasanamatikratnya Paradharya Paradravyapaharana Diduskarma Kurvano Manmadha Samanasya Bhavato Lavanyattachitam Mame Kada Vilokya Kanya Dushana Dusham Dhurikritya Balatkarena Rastu Mujjute Tachinmaya Dhaina Magacham Iti. Now, the Chandravarman is ruling the kingdom without any competition, disobeying the rule order of his uncle and elder brother. Daruvarman has been indulging in misdeeds such as stealing the money and women of others, and having once seen me who is interested in the beauty of the Cupid like yourself, as tried to molest me, not minding the sin of outraging the modesty of a young lady. I am worried by that anxiety, so I am very fatigued. Afterwards, Tasma Manogatam रागोद्रेकं मन्मनोरथा सिद्धन्तरायं च निशम्य वाष्पा पूर्णलोचनां तामाश्वास्य दारुवर्मणो मरणोपायं च विचारवलभामवशं तरुणी अखिलाक्षिणं दुष्टहृदयमेनं निहस्तुं मृदुरुपायः कच्चिन्मया चिन्त्यते. Here, having heard about her desire, excessive affection for me, and the obtained obstacle to the fulfillment of my wish, and having comforted her, O young lady, I have thought of a simple plan to kill that cruel-hearted one who desires you. Hello, you be care, don't fear about, he says. And also, Yakshah कच्चिदधिष्ठान बालचंद्रिकां निवसति तदाकार संपदाशाश्रुज्जलित हृदयो यः संबंधयोग्यः साहसिनो रतिमंदिरे तं यक्षं निर्दिश्य तया एकसखी समेतया मृगाख्या संपामृत सुखमनुभूय कुशली निर्गमिष्यति तेन विवाहनीति सिद्धे नैखेन वाधीति पुरजनस्य पुरतो भवदीयैः सकृत्थनीयं तदनु दारुवर्म वाक्यानीत्तं विधाने श्रावं तृष्णीं यदिभिया स्थास्यति तिर्हि वरं यदि पुनः दौर्जन्येन त्वया सङ्गमङ्गे करिष्यति तदा स भवधीयैरित्थं वाच्यः. Dear, oh my dear, that cruel-hearted one who desire you, let some of your reliable people say in front of the citizens that Balachandrika has been possessed by some yaksha. A siddha has ordered that she should be married to such a worthy and adventurous person whose heart is chained by a desire for her beauty and wealth, and who having defeated that yaksha in the bed chamber will come out safely, having spent time taking to that doe-eyed lady that is accompanied by a single maid. Dear, if Daruvarman, on hearing such words again and again, remains calm, then it is good. But if he still wants to take you by force, then he should be warned by your people thus. In this way, a simple or clever plan is there. Oh, so also here सौम्य दर्पसार वसुधादिपामात्यस्य भवतोन्निवासे साहसाकरणमनुचितम्. Here, O noble one, it will be improper on your part, one who are the minister of King Darpasara, to risk your life recklessly in your house. So, पौरजत साक्षिकं भवन्मन्दिर मानीतया आनया तोयणाक्ष्या सह क्रीडान्नायुष्मान् यति भविष्यति तदा परिणीय तरुणीय मनोरथान् निर्विशा इति. सोप्य afterwards, if you are alive after spending time with his lotus-eyed lady who will be sent you to your house with the citizens as a witness, you can marry her and fulfill your desires. सोप्य तदघीरकिरीरिष्यति त्वं सिखी वेषधारिणा मया सह तस्य मन्दिरं गच्छ. अहमेकान्तनिकेतने मुष्टिजानुपादाघातैन्तं रथसान्निहत्य पुनरपि वैस्कामिष्येण भवती मनुनिः शङ्कः निर्गमिष्यामि. तदेनमुपाय मङ्गीकृतस्य विगतसाध्यमलज्जा भवज्जनकजननी सहोदराणां पुरत अवयोः प्रेमातिशयमुख्याय सर्वधा मत्परिणयकरणेः ताननुनये. तेपि वंशसम्पल्लाव व्रण्यासाय योने मह्यं त्वां दान्त्यन्ते दारुवर्मणो मारणोपायं तेभ्यः कथयित्वा तेषामुत्तर माख्येयं मह्मम् इति. He will accept it. You go to this house accompanied by me, who will be disguised as you are mine. I will kill him with punches, kicks and knee blows in a secluded place and return accompanying you as a maid causing no doubt to anyone. Accept this plan and abandoning your fear and shyness, reveal your love to your parents and brother and convince them to perform your marriage. They will surely bestow you upon me, a youth endowed with noble worth, wealth and beauty. Tell them the plan to kill Daruvarman and convey to me their answer. सापि किंच दुत्पुल्लर सरसिजानना मामब्रवीत् सुभगा क्रूरकर्माणां दारुवर्मणां भवानेव हस्तुमर्हति तस्मिन् हते सर्वधा विस्मन्मनोरथः फलिष्यति एवं क्रियतां भवदुक्तं सर्वमहमपि तथा करिष्येणति मामना कृद्विन्वृत्तपदवदन विलोकयन्ति मंदं मगात् अहमपि बन्धुपालमुपेत्य शकुनज्ञात स्मार्तिं सद्दिवसानन्तरमेव भवत्सङ्गः संभविष्यति इत्यशृणवं तदनु मदनुगम्यमानो बन्धुपालो निजावासं प्रविश्य मामपि निलयाय विससर्न. That is, dear brothers, listen. Then with her force brightened like a blossomed lotus, she said to me, "O fortunate one, you alone can kill that cruel Daruvarman. If he is dead, your desire will be fulfilled. Let us do so. I so will do everything as you have said." Having said so, turning back and looking at me again and again, she departed. Slowly I met Bandhupala, the soothsayer, and heard from him that meeting you would happen after 30 days only. Later, Bandhupala, accompanied by me, went to his house and sent me to my palace. In this way, Balachandrika is saved. And also, ततो गतेषु गतिपयदिनेषु पौरजनसमक्षं सिद्धादेश प्रकारेण विवाह्य तामिद्धसुखीं सुखमतिष्ठं बन्धुपालशकुननिर्दिष्टे दिवसेऽस्मिन्निर्गत्य पुराद्बहिर्वृत्तमानो नेत्रोत्सवकारी लोकन सुखमनुभवामि इति. एवं मित्रवृत्तान्तं निशम्य राजवाहन स्वर्गायमानम् अनन्तकापुरं विवेश. That is, Balachandrika invited to his bed chamber for sporting by Daruvarman. Who has caught in the snare of my devious plan, sent her maid to me while going to them. I also decked myself with expertise, all those ornaments suitable to ladies such as jewel, anklet, girdle, branglets, armlets, earrings, gold chains, silk garments, and collyrium, and with an acceptable, beautiful attire approached the gate of his mansion alone with my love. And also, as the gatekeepers informed him of your arrival, he will welcome us warmly, and having stopped all his attendants at the door, took Balachandrika and me to the chamber of appointment. The citizens also gathered at the door of Daruvarman's palace in order to verify the rumor of the yaksha that spread across the city. Afterwards, that stupid one, overcome by just led the lady to the feather bed spread on the golden cot, studded with jewels and having presented gold and diamond ornaments, a variety of thinly woven garments, sandal paste mixed with the musk betel leaves filled with camphor, fragrant flowers, and other material to her and me, who was in the guise of a woman, and those masculinity was not recognized by him. In the darkness, talked playful for a couple of hours. And also the last we are coming to here, then blinded by lust, he tried to grow her hair with eyes reddened with anger. I dragged him down from the bed and repeatedly hit him with punches, kicks, and key blows, having it set right the ornaments that disheveled during the combat, and having comforted the frightened young lady, come to the courtyard of the palace and shouted as shivering with fright, "Alas, Daruvarman is being hit by the fierce Aksha who possessed Balachandrika. Come quickly see him." Oh, my dear brothers, here, on hearing that departing the quarters with shrieks of ha, ha, and shedding tears. A crowd gathered there, remarking among themselves thus, even after hearing that the spirit which possessed Balachandrika is very strong. Darivarman desired her blinded by his lust. Hence, he was being killed by his own misdeed. What is the use of crying about him? During that commotion, I swiftly escaped along with the young lady and reached home. That after some days, in the presence of the citizens, I married that moon-faced lady as ordained by the Siddha, and enjoyed with her happily. Today, being the day marked by the women of Bandhupala, I have come out of the city and enjoyed the happiness of seeing you, which is a feast to the eye. It is the end of the lesson.